Okay, what we have here is my homemade version of an ultrasonic record cleaner. It consists of the ultrasonic bath container. I think I gave about 350 bucks on that on ePray. It has a digital control unit that controls the temperature and the time duration. The numbers on the left, the first two numbers is a set point of 30 degrees centigrade, which is 86 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, it's showing 26 centigrade, so it's not quite up to temperature. The other number is the counter for the time duration. Right now there's only about 8 minutes left on it, on the counter. I used a 1-horse motor, gear reduced motor that I got off of eBay. It came just plain, so I had to make up a box to install it in. I put blind nut rivet nuts on the housing, and then the bracket then screwed into the blind nuts and attached to the housing. As you can see, I'm not a tinsmith. This is my first attempt at tin work. I guess it didn't turn out too bad. I did install a switch for turn the unit on and off, and install the plug into it, IC plug. The discs are made from a I don't know, a polypropylene something plastic. It came like 13 inch in diameter. I bought 2 of them. I cut them in 3/4 inch strips. A couple of them come out 1.25 inches. But it still allowed me to spin nine records at a time in this cleaning bath. On each side of the disc is a rubber pad that I had a supplier provide, and they look like this. I put them on both sides. They're self-adhesive. Put a 1/4 inch hole in the center, and the outside ones didn't need the rubber, so I left that off on the outside. So on this 1/4 inch shaft, there's a retaining nut where you can tighten this unit down and secure it and squeeze those rubber discs and the polyethylene discs together to seal the labeled area on the records. And it all fits on that 1/4 inch shaft. I made up a coupling because the shaft on this was 5/16 or a little larger than what the 1/4 inch shaft was, but I coupled it together with this coupling. So when I'm ready to take the records off, basically set the switch off. There's a couple of Allen wrench set screws in the coupling here. Loosen these up, loosen those couplings up, and then the whole unit slides out. And on this side there's a suspension bracket that was made up doing the same purpose, with the blind nuts in the housing, and then secured with the screws. Now the record cleaning solution was, of course, the distilled water, and then I used the 99%, I guess, yeah, 99% isopropyl alcohol, and then the Triton X100 surfactant. This is what I'm going to try cleaning with and see how it works out. I've got another tray I made up So when that one comes out of the bath, this one goes in, and that one over there will sit on this, and then I will rinse these with a little garden wand for spraying insecticide and stuff. I got that on eBay too. I think it was $6 or $8. And then I stick it in a gallon of distilled water, and then I will rinse these records once the other ones come out of the cleaning solution, and that will come onto this rack here, and it'll just remain on the racks until it just dries, and then they can be put back in their sleeves and put back away. So anyway, it gives you an idea of how I did this one, and maybe you can make some improvements and make one of your own that works better for you. But I only plan on probably running these for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So being each one holds 9, I shouldn't have a problem doing 30 of them within an hour, 30 to 45 of them in an hour. So good luck on yours, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.